So here we have the HR-101 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. As you can see, it comes with a whole lot of goodies. You got like the manuals here, charging station, a little mop attachment actually, which is pretty cool. Like not many robot vacuums include a mop, or it's like a separate thing altogether. So if you want to give your floor a little mop, that's good. Got the robot itself here, plugins, brushes. It has app control apparently, but also comes with a remote control, which is actually pretty nice because honestly, I'm tired of everything being controlled by an app. Sometimes you just need a good old-fashioned remote, and batteries are included luckily. So yeah, let's give this a try. Try to get this robot to clean up some coffee grounds for a demonstration, but this robot's just going everywhere except for where I want it to go. That's how robots usually are, as you can see, it cleans up pretty well. I will say that, it is, a little loud, if you get, a more expensive, robot, it's kind of quieter, but, if you don't mind the noise, I say give this thing a shot.